you
It's
today?
been a while.
Oh,
We're
my
out for a walk. We're on our way to the blacksmith shop.
Why are you? What do you need?
Jedediah will not pick his coat up off the floor. I have asked him and asked him and asked him. Jebediah, pick up your coat off the floor. So I figure we'll get a hook. And we're gonna, Jebediah, that is your hook. You use that hook. No more on the floor.
No, that's a good idea.
We decided to take the little one out for a walk.
Oh, now put your hat on.
Put your hat on.
Put your hat on. Little
We have a baby, and we're going for a walk to the blacksmith shop.
Very good. May we come along?
Oh, that would be great.
We're just out for a walk too.
Yes, I am. We might as well.
We will go. All right.
on, get your
Bring
baby.
your baby, hon.
Get your baby.
baby.
But my hat's gonna fall off.
There you go.
All right.
We even have the dogs with us today.
It's this way.
I heard that the blacksmith has a new apprentice.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I can't wait to see him.
Oh, my goodness. A little fella to
Just a little
learn?
fella, yeah.
What's his name?
His name is Bo.
Oh.
His name is Bo.
Bo is his name.
Well,
That's
very
his
good. I'd
whole
like
name?
to meet him.
Well, let's get inside and meet Bo.
You know.
Have you met Bo?
No, not yet.
My Aaron would probably like to play with him, but he probably won't have time since he's learning to be a blacksmith.
Gotta learn a trade. All
Well,
right.
let's go, folks.
Come on, Alice.
Baby Alice.
Well, here we are. Here we
We're
are.
here at the blacksmith.
We're gonna
Yes.
see the master blacksmith.
Isn't it? Oh, look in there.
Oh, wow.
There's his new little apprentice. Isn't he cute? Oh, what a good-looking little fella he is. Do you think he could really learn to be a blacksmith?
I'm not too sure. He's pretty little, but he's probably very smart.
I'll bet he is very smart. Yes, I heard his name was Bo.
Hello, Master Blacksmither. Oh, is this your new apprentice?
Yes, it is. This is Bo.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Bo. I have a problem. You know my Jebediah. My Jebediah will not put his coat up. He walks in the door and he drops it on the floor. So I was thinking if you could make me a hook or something that would be just for Jebediah. Could you do that for me?
Easy enough. That can happen.
All right. Well, I'll come back in a little later and pick up the hook.
Okay.
It was so nice to meet you. And you learn nicely, all right? Okay, I'll be back. All right, ladies, shall we go get some tea?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Well, young Bo, you ready to make this? First, we gotta take our steel and put it in the heat so we can heat it up. Well, young Bo, now that we got our metal heated up, we're gonna take it onto the anvil. Take our hammer, and we'll start pointing out the tip. Well, young Bo, we gotta remember, we always gotta keep it nice and hot, or else it won't mold. Our next step is we're gonna have to round it out. We're gonna want to take it to the edge. Bring it over. We're gonna want to slowly round it out. Straighten it back out. Now we're going to want to curve it down so it can make the actual hook shape. By doing that, we want to take it to the horn of the anvil and slowly curve it around. And once we get to that point, we want to flip it over on the anvil head and lightly tap it into the shape. And there we go. You see, young Bo? Then once it's all back there, we throw it right back in. Let it heat back up. And in that spot, we want to take our cutoff hardy, or cutoff, put it right on in, and then you're ready for the next step. Now we want to take our metal, put it on top of our cutoff, and take one big hit. So we get our nice indent into it, so we don't lose where it is. Then you just slightly, gently tap it most of the way through. Take our tongs, grab it, and start twisting it off. And now, you have a hook. You see now how you would make a hook now, young Bo? Okay.
Hello, Master Blacksmith. Oh, young Bo, it's so good to see you again. Did you make me a hook? Did you make? Oh, that is perfect. That is perfect for Jebediah's coat. Thank you so much. Did you learn a lot today? Nice. All right. Well, thank you so much, and I will see you another day. You make me a hook another day? You want to come play with Jebediah? Okay, can he come play with Jebediah? All right, let's go, Bo.